Well, good. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Bedliner, whatever you want to look at, it's made by U-Paul. This is the 1 gallon, 3.8 liter kit. You got 1 bottle. You got 2 bottle. You got 3 bottle. You got 4 bottle. And you got your hardener. That is all that comes in this box. No instructions, no nothing, which kind of is annoying. The gun does not come in this kit, but you can buy the U-Paul gun on Amazon as well for like, I think it was 29 bucks after tax exactly. There is a kit you can buy the gun with, but it ends up being about the same price anyways. I might be wrong, I don't know, but I'll put the link to the gun as well in the description. You're gonna need that gun if you want to do this bedliner at home. So I wanted to make this clear because I personally couldn't find any videos on YouTube. I found one YouTube video that explained how much paint you're supposed to put with the bottles, and I'll show you guys more tomorrow when the actual bedliner gets here. I do have the gun with my regulator with it. I gotta go to Home Depot and get a female part for the hose for the compressor. So for the tenable one, you're going to need a pint of paint basically, because you need 100 milliliters of paint to mix in with the hardener and the material that's in the bottle itself. So a pint of paint is 473.4 milliliters. So you'll have a little bit of paint left over, but that's exactly how much you're gonna need, because I personally couldn't find that until I watched some video. I don't even know where I found it. Okay, you guys, so I just wanted to show you, I just got my paint. All I got was a quart of paint. I got high strain. So this is gonna be the color of the actual truck. I haven't even opened it yet. I'll open it when I get back home. But as you can tell, it's got, I'll read it off. Bright red, magenta, reduced black, and port wine red. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of opened it already, and I'm not gonna lie, I was nervous of what it was gonna look like. I was super nervous. This color, I'm so glad I made this choice. I went with my gut. Oh my gosh, dude. It's gonna be hard to tell on camera. Let me put this cap down and I'll turn the camera over and show you guys. Out in the light, there we go, that's a better view. So imagine this on this right here. Imagine that. Oh yeah, and also look at the bodywork I did. Take your hardener. And you put just a little bit of hardener, because this stuff hardens quick. When I mean quick, I mean quick. What's up, guys? So I'm editing right now, and I just kind of wanted to say something real quick before you guys got a little bit confused. But this clip, as you can tell, I'm sanding down the bed rails, or I'm about to put some Bondo on it. I had already pretty much finished up the bodywork, and I needed to patch, I think, like 1 or 2 holes. I can't exactly remember. I haven't watched the footage, but I just wanted to explain that this is kind of me finishing up the rails before I actually sanded the whole bed and then put the bed liner in. I just wanted it to make sense a little bit better, so enjoy the rest of the video, guys. I just need to scuff off the mark where the hole needs to go, and then we'll be good. It won't take that much. So I'll just leave this right here, this right here. It won't dry too fast. Might want to put that in there so it doesn't fly away. This is 180 grit. So first we're going to have to mix this. Leave that right there because it will go nowhere. Just take it, mix. Oh, got a bee. We'll just take a little bit like this. Oh God, smooth. Over the whole area. Perfect. Okay, and now we will come over here to this area. And we're just gonna nicely and gently cover up this. That's pretty good. And we'll just sand that down. And if I were you, I would just kind of do what I'm doing right here, getting it all off the edge. Okay guys, so it's a couple hours later. I did finish up the other side over here, the driver's side, but I am currently working on the passenger side. Just trying to get this all smooth. As you can tell, like these little rivets right in here, I'm trying to get those smooth out as much as possible. I had big fat globs like right in here, and this is pretty much smooth to the body. Like I said, I'm just folding this 180 up and going to town with it. Like I said, I'm just really just working it like this. This is the sticky pad, so it's not the Velcro, so it won't go to the palm sander. So I'm just kind of doing it old fashioned, just kind of hitting it off each time, trying to get as much out of the pads as I can. But yeah, just kind of wanted to update you guys. All right, what's up guys? So right now we are gonna get ready to start sanding the bed down. We're gonna slap the GoPro on. We got our little DeWalt sander right here, palm sander. See all that red? That's from that. Alright guys, almost done with sanding down the bed. I haven't really been recording any of it. I've been getting most of it done. Really and truly, I've been doing all of it off camera just because it's really simple. Just sand the bed down, and yeah. So pretty much everything is sanded. I got to do the inside of these fins right here still. Kind of like inside of these right here. You can tell like right there, there's some clear coat left. So just some of that. Then I got to go through. Those are the sanding pads right there. But I have some square ones so I can get into like cracks and everything to make sure everything's properly sanded down. Just prepping everything. I mean, it's everywhere. You can see my shirt is literally like red. These shorts are red. So you might just want to designate everything that you're gonna wear that one day. Like, look at this. Watch. Everywhere, it just gets everywhere. As I was saying, you just take some like blue painter's tape and you want to go along this. This is gonna be where you're gonna spray, but then you're gonna take some just regular like plastic sheeting, like cloth or whatever, and you can see like it's big, and there, I have 2 more of these, but you're just gonna take it and you're gonna want to lay it over the whole thing, and then you're gonna put another piece of tape over this, so that's gonna cover this whole bed side. You'll do some right here, tape off this stuff. You're gonna do the same thing on this side as well. Cover this up so that bed liner doesn't get anywhere else, and then you're gonna want to do one across the whole truck. You can just tape it down like right here when it comes out. All right, you guys, getting everything ready. So my gun, I got it set at 60 PSI. This is what it's asking for, 40 to 60. I'm gonna blow it off real quick, just any dirt. Take it, just come in here and lightly stir. So 100 milliliters right here. So we're gonna take this, there. So we got the hardener poured. We're gonna take this paint right here. We're gonna mix it into this. Alrighty, so I'm done shaking it up for 2 minutes. Now we're gonna get our gun. Test this one more time. Got this, and now this will go into here. All right, I know I look goofy right now, but I just want to pick up the camera because I don't know how good these shots are. But this is beautiful. Like, just look at it in the light. It's actually pretty well, but note to self, I should have got 6 bottles. This is 2 bottles already. Got the whole side rail done. The whole front's done. Like, quarter of the front part's done. This needs just a tad bit more. I'll probably do that last because I mean it's coated. I need to do that well. The lighting is just awful, and then I still need to do the rest of this right here and the tailgate and this rail right here as well. Touch up any other spots, so I'm gonna do really light. I really do appreciate you guys watching the video. If you did like it, leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below what you think. Tag me in some pictures if you guys pick this kit up. It'll be in the description if you guys do it yourself. But we're going to roll it out with a cinematic shot of all this being done and peel it off. So I will see you guys in the next video.
Nope.